This is your digital ultrasound therapy machine. It uses sound waves to ease muscle, joint, and soft tissue pain. It works at two frequencies, for deep tissue and for tissue near the surface. In the box, you will find the main unit, the 1 MHz probe, the 3 MHz probe, an AC power cable, a universal adapter, a padded carry bag, a tube of ultrasound gel, and the user manual. The two probes do different jobs. The 1 MHz probe reaches deep tissue like large muscles and big joints. The 3 MHz probe treats tissue near the surface like tendons and small joints. Each probe plugs into a port on the front. The three screens show the time, mode, and intensity. The lights show which probe is active, and an error light will indicate if there is a problem. The mode button changes the energy. Continuous mode for steady warmth, pulse mode for less heat, and wave mode which gently rises and falls. Choose a probe and connect it to its front port. Plug the power cable into an outlet, then press power. Use the arrows to select that probe and check the light that confirms it. Choose the mode and set the time as prescribed by a professional. Always apply a generous layer of ultrasound gel. Place the probe flat on the skin. Start the intensity low and raise it slowly. Keep the probe moving in slow circles and never hold still. When the time is up, the machine will alert you. Press power to stop, wipe the gel from the skin, and clean the probe. A few safety rules. Always use gel and never run the probe on dry skin. Never leave the person alone and stop if there is any pain or heat. Do not use it during pregnancy, over a pacemaker or cancer, or over the eyes, an open wound, a healing fracture, or a child's growth plate. Always use it under professional guidance. Buy this at snapshophub.com.